Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Suboxy Creative Minds. This video is about customized coasters embedded with amethyst chips. Do watch the complete video to know how I made 100 coasters, customized coasters, and enjoy the video, and do subscribe to my channel for more such creative minds. So let us start. As you can see, I have already poured a little bit of amethyst chips in the coaster mold, and now I am applying little golden foils on other side of the coaster. This sparkling golden foil I bought it from Leafing Creations. They have very beautiful collections. You can check them in Instagram. I'll attach the link in the description below. And the amethyst chips, I bought it from Art Addiction. They too have very beautiful collections, so you can check them out in the description below. And now I'm pouring resin mixed with alcohol inks. Alcohol inks, I'm using a purple color from Beyond Inks. So after finishing the curing, I have attached a vinyl sticker on the coaster. So basically this is a struggle how I am trying to attach it clean on the coaster. My suggestion for the names on the coaster is acrylic. So please try to avoid as much as possible the vinyl stickers, because it's a big struggle to have a clean results through it. While this is a personal experience which I am sharing with you, it's up to you what you can use and what convenience you on working. So here, after attaching the vinyl sticker, I am pouring a final coat on my coasters. So I am very happy with the result of the customized coasters, and my client also loved it. Do watch the complete video to know and find more customized work of mine. So this is the result of table 1 with the coasters with amethyst, followed by table 2 and 3. And now you can see the beautiful results of it. Hope you enjoyed the making as much as I did. And for more such videos, do subscribe to my channel and follow me in Instagram.